highest grade is high grade.
You don't know. Come to pull it up as high as just a nearest trumpet call. Yeah, 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 yeah. Thanks for life, for every good feeling, morning, evening. Ooh, thanks for life. Hey, no, the realest behavior is obedience, obedience, obedience. Hear me now, feed you one another. More sharper, iron in a young area. Thanks for life, thanks for life. More respect than what good love and talking. More respect than what good love and talking. Keep a community tight and sparking. Well, I only one of them and said that they're talking. Well, this right now is doing Rasta doing. Rasta still live up to the right thing. Well, we did the year before the old Mac and the Viking. Feel the intellectual talk when they speaking. Fear ragamuffin economizing. Thanks for life. All every good feeling, yeah. Morning and evening, yeah, yeah. Thanks for life, for the breath of life, the breath of life, yeah. It was the bleating of the ram horn, triumphant the unicorn, ganja reception in our brain throne. For his foundation is in all the mountains. Lord God loved the gates of Zion more than all the lands of Jacob. Glorious things are spoken of the old city of God, Selah. I must make mention of Rahab and Babylon, and to them that know I hold for this the entire with Ethiopia, this man was born there. Christ himself shall establish her, as well as the singers, and the players upon instruments shall be there. All my springs are there. Lord God Jarasafari Haile Selassie the first shall come. When he writeth up the people that this man was born there. In the society of the rich and the poor and the law. In the society of the rich and the poor and the law. Man, I heal the I-90, the I-Lake of Jah. Heal the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Heal the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. We are in the society of the rich and the poor and the law. Man, I heal the I-90, the I-Lake of Jah. Heal the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
No matter what the case may be, still now go bow. Me now go chop me lock, me have to make me lock scrap. No time at all, I now go stoop low. Go get you fire, non-stop hit the flow. Fire me the bun, fire me the blow. Knowledge and wisdom is the key, that you better know. Send cry people, don't ever stoop low. And don't ever, I still now go bow. The one you name then again. Bingy man still now go bow. The one you name then blaze up the fire. I still now go bow. The one you name then again. Nowhere no. I still now go bow. There's no need for bow. Jolly vetting a man. You have to unlimited in your meditation. In order to give up good vibration. Julification will keep education, so keep your eyes on the prize, that's the motivation. And it will make you reach elevation. So utilize the power that well up in a man. So don't run, go bow up to John Pope second. Bow up to King Selassie, the conquering lion. I still now go bow.
I take chance in this time. Corruption done is over in the time. Every day you get up a morning, you get a new surprise, a new political terrain. Right before your eyes, taking shape. Protection in this time. Yeah. Every day you get up a morning, you get a new surprise, a new political terrain. Right before your eyes, taking shape in the time. Keep good relation. Mount Zion and Imo time. Mount Zion and Imo time. Mount Zion and Imo time. Among Zion and Imo time. The prize is boom then. I can respond and not them responding. Didn't know the tape was still running. Hey. After they requested expert for analysis and after they tasted correspondence or remove thing in a palace. Keep good relay. Mount Zion and Mount Zion and Imo time. Mount Zion and Imo time. Chaotic fit, now you need an alternative. Before you lick down, mash down, buck down, tear down everything, just know then me the methodology come up and proceed, you know. Keep good relation. Mount Zion and Imo time. Mount Zion and Imo time. Mount Zion and Imo time. Mount Zion Mount Zion and Imo time. Ooh.
Holy I Selassie. Sure! Rastafari. I love you all people. Yeah, man. Rastafari, Selassie, yeah. Why? The one you name the King Temple. Whoa, whoa. Don't reflect the corruption, don't reflect the hype. There is no differentiation when you identically alike. It's like twins, no different, just the same type. Your answer by Ashman Ashley, stirring up strife. That's like throwing gas on fire, feeding it to stay alive. Food for your thought, remember, word bizarre to its own life. Keep bad company, only corrupt clean manners and clean heights. And it's like mixing oil and water, can never unite. So be careful in this life with who wants to strike. Yeah, just remember, it could cost your life. Chanting from the mountain, word of right. Do this now, just say strife with those who strive. No be like the man what church to the bird to the pig, end up in a strife. Cause the companions of fool must be destroyed. He who walk with wise men will be wise. Give knowledge to a Buddhist man, end up in a fight. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, don't stop it. Yeah. Yo. A wise man keep a wise head keep a still tongue. Don't run off your mouth like some little comedian clown. Be still, no say life and death is with the tongue. And not anything you feel utter when you make the trumpet song. A wise man keep a wise head keep a still tongue. He that keep it his mouth, keep it his life and the ground. No run it off like water a run. Speak not, but if you speak with. Yeah. Rastafari live, you know. Yeah. Them fight against the holy cannabis healing of the nation. Ganja incense give you good intent. Them a fight against a plot when it good for them. They are from Genesis in the Garden of Eden. Them fight against the holy cannabis, healing of the nation, ganja incense, give you good intent. Them a fight against a plot when it good for them. Look, aye, them with your bad no ras, I a sticky grass. Mother Earth produce it and me I Jim bring it grass. Him just rip it up, so him want to sit up, so him never hesitate, get in the group real fast. Grab him with paper in that witness start for that. Me lift it up, yo take a talk, start up, and hail King Selassie, aye. Yo, Babylon them get cut up, yo them fight up. Yeah. Aye. Babylon manipulating people, you know. Hear that one, yeah. Look how them do it. Access psychologically. That's how Babylon come and install them folly. Hear how them do it. Access psychologically. And that's how they get to manipulate so many. Look how them do it. Access psychologically. That's how Babylon come and install them folly. Hear how them do it. Access psychologically. And that's how they get to manipulate so many. Fire burn them out. Listen me vocal. Babylon assess the people psychological. Look how them do it. Them get into your mental. Manipulate you, then go have you like a puppet one string. Watch out for Babylon, because them like deceiving. Them love play mind games. Well soul them stealing. Now them action, yo start revealing what they was really meditating. Then me find out wolf in a sheep clothing. Give it an objective to capture but end up losing. Rasta scan how they punk them most moving. Game in a disguise, mind they like manipulating. How them do it, access psychologically. That's how Babylon come and install them folly. Hear how them do it, access psychologically. And that's how them get to burn it. Look, low. And I say, warning to the warning to the races. Babylon control the mind of the masses, creating wars, financing wars, lying to the masses. Reagan say what him want is control of the masses. Give me the fire, give me the gas, give me the matches. Bush finance Hitler war, all of them are fascists. Do you scheme behind the scene, sending people back for cashes? Babylon, you really deserve a lot of lashes, cause what you did really work on the masses. Hitler caused a genocide and them mad plot the fascists. Break them by the thunder, they may thunder as it flashes. More firemen.
East, west, north, and south. Just where someone is, we need to live. We need to live. Garments of praise for the spirit of heaviness. I and I in our sameness, you see. Beautiful. Pull up that. Pull up that.
Beat down fence kind of music.
Just someone need. We need to live. We need to live. Garments of praise for the spirit of heaviness. I and I is in a sameness, you see. Beauty for ashes, the oil of joy for mourning. The one place your conscience see beyond the inevitability. That is wherever people be. Don't let it be hatred of a high degree. Almighty Jah, Rastafari, Rastafari, in the orthodoxy, when it is revealed, let us be discreet. Protection of the weak, little baby, and the old and the weak and the meek. Any society, still morality. They destroy any concept of deity and still require stability. What is the requirement of your laws by which you base your decree? The whole hierarchy. I sat up my brother. Oh yeah. You hear me now? I sat up my brother. You know, see, say man after back. Zachariah 12 is how me see the outcome come out. No matter what, how them indulging so much mathing. I guess I just all them right now. I go bring it out of flat. Most you took humanity watch. An ensign a cry out and the ensign a ball out shout. It's a reminder. 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 Woo.
Highest grade is high grade.
Oh, thanks. Awareness in the moment.
Mount Victory Camp up here in the northwest corner of St. Croix. We've got cabins that we rent out. We rent out tent spaces, and we have a couple of apartments that we rent out for people who are looking for a little bit more stepped up of a vacation. Really, our main focus here is teaching. We're trying to get people to be closer to nature through earth skills. You know, how to survive, how to keep yourself alive, how to grow, how to reconnect to our ancient human roots through these ancient skills. And for even people who aren't here for that experience, who are just trying to stay somewhere nice, we're trying to bring that energy so that people who come here feel that connection to nature. whether they're coming here to stay, whether they're coming here for a dub in the rainforest, whatever it is. We want people who come through here to feel a healing, for them to reconnect with what it means to be human out here in nature.
What do you and Carmen, how do you and Carmen feel about the Dub in the Rainforest experience?
Dub in the Rainforest has been amazing for us. We had no expectations other than we wanted to bring a healing. That's where we were coming from with this. And there's so many good artists on St. Croix that it's just turned into this thing where not only are we able to have the opportunity to bring a healing to the people who are coming in here, but we're able to really utilize the strength of the voice of St. Croix, of all these artists, to give them a forum so that they can spread their message, so they can spread that healing towards the world. So it's been something that grew on us so much more than we ever expected.
And VI Reggae kind of brought you to St. Croix, right?
Yeah, man.
The
Yeah,
music
man.
of Midnite.
Yep. That's the first thing that ever got me even looking at coming here in the first place for anything. Came down here for a Midnite show in 2006 or 2007, and got to meet Tippy and help him a little bit with getting rhythms off the ground. And then it sort of coalesced. We did a few shows in the States, and then when we moved down here, he was the first person that we called to try to get some sort of music going, some sort of gathering going here. And it's really been amazing. More than I expected it to in the beginning. So, yeah, we love Dub in the Rainforest. Done so much for so many people, we feel. Not just us, but to give people this space to come out here and to really get together and just feel the love.
Oh, yeah. When we think about some acquired taste, we have to unlearn a connection to a willing heart that willingly learn. To stand and rejoice, good the feelings return. Overstanding, make knowledge, seek wisdom to learn. Rastafari well-being and upkeep by concern. Together.